Is your 2006 2011 Lexus GS 450h key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the most common culprit. This video shows you how to easily replace it yourself, saving time and money compared to a dealership visit. The battery typically lasts 2 to 5 years, and a low battery is indicated by a dashboard warning or reduced range. Get ready to take control of your car maintenance. Your Lexus GS 450h key fob requires a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. These are widely available at drugstores, supermarkets, auto parts stores like AutoZone, and online retailers like Amazon for around $1 to $5. Consider eco-friendly rechargeable CR2032 options for sustainability. Make sure you have one on hand before you begin. You'll need just a couple of simple tools: a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to avoid scratches, and your new CR2032 battery. Needle nose pliers can be helpful for handling small parts, but aren't essential. Work in a well-lit area to prevent losing any components. Magnetic screwdrivers can also be useful to avoid losing screws. First, ensure your vehicle is off and the keys are out of the ignition. Locate the seam on the side of the key fob. Gently insert your flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into the seam. Carefully separate the two halves of the fob. Be patient and avoid using excessive force. Once the fob is open, you may need to remove the internal circuit board if it is clipped in. Carefully pop out the old CR2032 battery. Note the polarity. The positive plus side is usually facing up. Insert the new battery, ensuring the correct orientation with the positive side facing the same direction as the old battery. Now for reassembly. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob, ensuring all edges match up properly. Snap the halves together firmly, making sure the fob closes securely without any gaps. Finally, verify that the rubber gasket is correctly seated to maintain the IPX7 water resistance rating and prevent moisture ingress. After reassembly, test the key fob by pressing the lock, unlock, and trunk release buttons while standing near your vehicle. The buttons should respond with the corresponding vehicle actions. If the key fob doesn't work immediately, try cycling the ignition by inserting the key, turning it to the on position for a few seconds, then back to off. This can sometimes reset the system. Finally, if issues persist, consult your Lexus owner's manual for specific reprogramming steps. This is rarely needed for a simple battery replacement, but the manual will guide you through the process. Avoid using metal tools to prevent short-circuiting the circuit board. Ground yourself to avoid static electricity damage. If the fob still doesn't work, the circuit board may be damaged, and you might need professional assistance. Also consider that future key fobs may integrate Bluetooth Low Energy (BLE) for smartphone pairing, reducing battery drain. Rechargeable batteries are also a trend for sustainability.